love our new house, Dad. Is this going to be my room?
Yes, it is. Do you like it?
Yeah, but it's empty.
That's okay. We'll fill it with your bed and all your toys, and we'll paint the walls whatever colour you like.
Really?
Yeah, you can choose.
But
But it has to be orange.
you said I could choose.
Yeah, you can choose, but if you don't choose what I want, you'll be sorry.
But I like blue.
Okay, you can have blue, but if you choose blue, I'm going to take all your toys away and not let you go outside and play with your friends. Furthermore, I'm going to beat you every day. I won't let you date girls when you're older. I'll make you work in my factory for your entire life, 7 days a week, 18 hours a day without pay. But it's your choice. You want orange or blue?
But you said I could choose.
You can. It's entirely up to you.
Good game, son. Now, want to go get some lunch?
Yeah, okay, Dad, where?
I don't mind. Whatever. You choose.
KFC?
No way. You chose wrong. I want to go to that salad bar on Main Street.
You said...
No, you choose. It's up to you.
Huh?
Yeah, it's up to you.
But, you
Yeah,
said
look,
I
it's your
could
choice. But it has to be that salad place. I'm not accepting anything else. If you choose KFC, we can go there, sure. But if we do, I'm going to take one of those golf clubs there and smash your computer to smithereens. Then I'll take that new bike of yours and I think I'll throw it off a bridge. I might just break your arm with a baseball bat too. I'm serious, okay? Don't mess with me. But, whatever you want for lunch, it's totally up to you.
I swear to God, I'm going to blow your f***ing brains out if you don't give me that f***ing money, but it's totally up to you, because I respect you. I am now standing at the door and am knocking. If anyone listens to my voice and opens the door, I will go in to be with him and will feast with him, and he shall feast with me. I'd really like you to let me into your life, to save you. Save me from what? Save you from what I'm going to do to you if you don't let me in. Huh? But it's your choice. I'm just asking, I'm not forcing. But if you don't let me rule your life, once you're dead, I'm going to see to it that you spend eternity in endless, agonizing pain. You'll be cast into a lake of fire where you will burn never-endingly in unquenchable flames. You'll scream in agony forever, begging for just a single drop of water to cool your burning tongue. That is, unless you surrender your life to me and start living the way I want you to. But I'm giving you free will on this because I love you so much. Free will? Yes, you can choose to accept my offer freely given, or suffer horrific, unimaginable torture forever, unendingly, eternally, day and night in a lake of fire and brimstone. But I'll never force you to make a decision either way. That would be unfair. I lovingly leave the decision to you.